Hi, here's a list of some of the foods that I'll be cooking for you over the next week or two, and there's a lot of them. I've cooked them all before, well practiced, and I think you'll enjoy them. I know you may not believe me, but honestly, it's true. Anybody can cook. Okay, I have a few years experience, about 50 plus, but most of the things I show you are really simple to make. Just takes a little time, that's all. The next one is my absolute favourite of all favourites, and it may surprise you. Have a look.